We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.